Hi, today we are going to do factoring quadratic expressions. Example 1. Factorize x to the power 2 plus 7x plus 12. So we have quadratic term here, x to the power 2 term, then linear term or the middle term, numeric term, constant. So what we have to do is, first of all, we have to check the coefficient of quadratic term. It is 1. Then that 1 multiplied by constant. Then you get 1 times plus 12, that is plus 12. Then we take factors of 12. What are the factors of 12? 1 times 12, 1 and 12. Then 2 times 6, 2 and 6. 3 times 4, 3 and 4. These are the factors. Here plus 12. Here plus means we have to add the factors to make this middle coefficient, that is 7. How do you make 7? By adding these factors. 12 add 1, that is 13. 2 add 6, that is 8. 3 add 4, that is 7. We have relevant factors, that is 3 and 4. So using these factors, we have to write plus 7x. How do you form plus 7x? By 3 and 4, that is plus 3x plus 4x makes plus 7x. So I write x squared plus 3x plus 4x plus 12. Then I select first two terms and take common things out. So if you take x to the power 2 plus 3x, if you take these two terms, what is common? That is x is common. Then x to the power 2 divided by x, that is x. 3x divided by x, that is plus 3. Then I select other two terms and take the common things out. What is common? Plus 4x plus 12. You can see 4 is common. So I write with the sign, that is plus 4. Open bracket. Then 4x divided by 4, that is x, plus 12 divided by plus 4, that is 3. Then we check the brackets. Brackets are the same. Then we can take bracket out. So I take x plus 3 bracket out. So when you take x plus 3 bracket out from this first part, then x is remaining. Then the second part, x plus 3 is out. Then when you take x plus 3 out, 4 is remaining. So the final answer is x plus 3 times x plus 4. Example 2. Factorize x squared minus 6x plus 8. Like before, I put the coefficient of quadratic term, that is 1. Okay, plus 1 times plus 8, that is plus 8. Then we take factors of 8, that is 1 times 8 and 2 times 4. Then linear term coefficient is 6. We have to find factors, and when you add these factors, that has to be equal to 6. So 8 add 1, that is 9. 4 add 2, that is 6. Then we have the factors, relevant factor 4, 2. But in the middle it is minus. So how do you form minus 6 using 2 and 4? Then both must be minus. Minus 2 plus minus 4 equals minus 6. Okay, then we have to write like that. So we write x squared minus 2x minus 4x plus 8. Then I select first two terms and take the common things out. X squared minus 2x, x is common. Then x squared divided by x remains. Minus 2x divided by x, minus 2 remains. Then minus 4x plus 8. What is common? It is 4 is common, but this first term it is minus, so I take minus 4 out. Minus 4 out. Then minus 4x divided by minus 4, x remains, plus 8 divided by minus 4, that is minus 2. Then I check the brackets, they are the same. Then I write that bracket x minus 2. Then what is remaining? When you take x minus 2 out, x remains. In here, when you take x minus 2 out, minus 4 remains. So the answer is x minus 2 times x minus 4. Example 3. Factorize y squared plus 3y minus 108. Like before, quadratic term coefficient is 1. 1 times minus 108, that is minus 108. Then take factors of 108. 1 times 108, 2 times 54, 3 times 36, 4 times 27, 6 times 18, 9 times 12. Then since minus 108, one factor is positive, the other factor is negative. You have to remember that minus 108 means one is positive, one is negative. And we have to take the difference of the factors to make the linear coefficient. What is the linear coefficient here? That is 3. Then we check the difference. 108, 1, 107. 54, 2 difference is 52. 36, 3 difference is 33. 27, 4 difference is 23. 18, 6 difference is 12. 12, 9 difference is 3. Then we have 3 difference, that is 12 and 9. So using 12 and 9, I have to make 3 plus 3. Then I told you one is positive, one is negative, so larger one is positive. So 12 is positive, 9 is negative. So I write y squared plus 12y minus 9y minus 108. Then first two terms, what is common? That is y. Then y squared divided by y, that is y, plus 12y divided by y plus 12. Then minus 9y minus 108, that is 9 times 1, 9 times 12. Then 9 is common. With the sign, I take minus 9. Then minus 9y divided by minus 9, y remains. Minus 108 divided by minus 9, that is plus 12. Then check the brackets. They are the same. Then I write that bracket y plus 12. Then remaining ones, when you take y plus 12 from this, y remains. Then from this y plus 12 out, minus 9 remains. So the answer is y plus 12, y minus 9. Example 4, factorize y squared minus 3y minus 28. First, we have to go to the coefficient of quadratic term, that is 1. 1 times minus 28 minus 28. Then take the factors. 1 times 28, 2 times 14, 4 times 7. Then since minus 1 is positive, 1 is negative, and we have to take the difference of the factors to make the linear coefficient. Linear coefficient is 3. Then difference 28, 1 difference is 27. 14, 2 difference is 12. 4 and 7 difference is 3. So we need those two factors. Then 1 is positive, 1 is negative. How do you form minus 3? Then larger one is minus, the other one is plus. So I write here y squared minus 7y plus 4y minus 28. Then take the first two terms and take common things out. Y is common. Then y squared divided by y, that is y remains, minus 7y divided by y, minus 7 remains. Then plus 4y minus 28. 4 times 1, 4 times 7, then 4 is common. First one sign is plus, so I take plus 4 out. Then plus 4y divided by plus 4, that is y remains. Then minus 28 divided by plus 4, that is minus 7. Then check the brackets, they are the same. Y minus 7. Then when you take y minus 7 out, y remains. Then from this one, y minus 7 out, plus 4 remains. So the final answer is y minus 7, y plus 4. Okay, example 5. Factorize 16x squared plus 19x plus 3. Then we have quadratic term coefficient, that is 16. Then constant plus 3. Then when you multiply 16 and 3, that is 48. Then we have to take the factors of 48. That is plus 48. 1 times 48. 2 times 24. 3 times 16. 4 times 12. 6 times 8. Then plus 48, we have to add the factors to make the linear coefficient, that is 19. So 16 at 3, that is 19. So we have the two factors, 16 and 3. Then we have to write 19 plus 19 using 16 and 3, that is 16x plus 3x. So I write here 16x squared plus 16x plus 3x plus 3. Then what is common in first two terms, that is 16x is common. Then 16x squared divided by 16x, x remains, plus 16x divided by plus 16x, that is 1. Then the next two terms, that is plus 3x plus 3. So I can see plus 3 is common. Then plus 3x divided by plus 3, x remains. Plus 3 divided by plus 3, that is plus 1 remains. Then check the brackets, they are the same, so we can take that out. X plus 1 out, since they are equal, x plus 1, x plus 1. Then when you take x plus 1 out, what remains? That is 16 x remains. Then second part, it is x plus 1 out plus 3 remains. I hope you understood. See you in the next video.